If you are asking, don't want to do the census? You've got options, eh? This video is for you. We'll explore Canadians' rights, the lawful options available, and the importance of being informed. This video offers an educational overview of census law, enforcement practices, and your rights regarding census refusal in Canada. The Statistics Act mandates completing the census, and failure to respond is technically an offense, allowing for prosecution. However, enforcement has changed significantly over time. In the real world, there have been no prosecutions for census refusal since 2017. Most cases conclude with reminders, follow-ups, and possible in-person visits, but files are generally closed without charges. Although refusal is an offense with a maximum penalty including fines, jail time is extremely unlikely in practice. Providing false information is, however, treated much more seriously under the law. Option A, minimal compliance, involves providing only the mandatory information and leaving optional questions blank. This is considered the lowest risk approach and is chosen by many. Option B allows for accommodation requests based on disability, language barriers, privacy, or religious concerns. Statistics Canada may permit alternative completion methods in these cases. Option C is civil refusal, which involves refusing to complete the census. While this may lead to repeated contact, prosecution is extremely unlikely, and most files close without court action. Option D involves a Charter or Canadian Bill of Rights challenge based on privacy rights, liberty interests, or compelled expression. However, no constitutional challenge against the census has succeeded to date. Arguments using the Canadian Bill of Rights against the Statistics Act may involve liberty and privacy. Some argue for a narrow interpretation of the Act, but this remains a debated legal position. It is crucial to know what you cannot legally do. Do not provide false information, destroy census materials, or impersonate another respondent, as false statements are actively enforceable. A risk assessment indicates reminder letters and phone calls are common, and in-person visits are possible. However, prosecution is extremely rare, and jail time is practically unheard of for refusal alone. A person may choose to write to Statistics Canada, asserting privacy concerns and rights under the Charter and Canadian Bill of Rights, while still offering minimal compliance to the census. In summary, there are four main pathways: minimal compliance, accommodation request, civil refusal, and constitutional challenge. Remember to know the law before making decisions. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as legal opinion.